What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zaytona, Z-A-T-O-N-A, and I'm back with a video. Today we're going to be talking about how to stay consistent with your YouTube channel. I'm a dancer, and I started making a bunch of dancing videos. And then I said, let me switch it up. So I started doing vlogs, I started doing Q&As, I started doing reaction videos just to put my YouTube a little up there, you know, to stay consistent doing different things. So basically we're gonna get started in how to be consistent. 6 steps. Let's get it. Gang. Number 1, it's a word called batching. If you don't know what batching is, it's basically sitting down and making a bunch of videos. And as you're making a bunch of videos, pick a day that you will release those videos. It can be a video this week, and then it can be another video the next week. So basically, batching is making a bunch of videos, sitting down, making a bunch of videos, and editing whenever you're free. Number 2, block time. Block time is basically, you know, we are busy, you know, during our days. We are busy. If you can take like half of your day, or even have like a full day to yourself, that's going to allow you a silent batch of content. Number 3, Isaiah, 3, boy, 3.
Boy, if you don't get
assistant, that's gonna come in handy to keep your YouTube running. If you have a friend that got your back, a buddy that got your back, knowing that you do YouTube videos and going on with you, helping you, even being in some of your YouTube videos, and that's a person that's gonna call you and be like, hey, did you upload this week? You're gonna need that person, because assistant is gonna go far and it's gonna help you a lot. Number 4, shoot day prep. Basically for that, you have to make sure your batteries on your phone, on your camera is charged to 100%, charged completely. You have to make sure your SD card is cleaned and ready to go. All those kind of things can like set your video day back. It will make you have to do it the next day. You know, we really want to do it today and that stuff not charged or clean, or everything's ready, the light ready, the whatever it is going to set your day. Number 5, back. What you wear. It's basically pretty simple to me. What I do before I start doing the shoot is, if I know I'm gonna shoot that day, I basically get out the clothes that I'm gonna wear and just hang it up, and then it's gonna be there the next day. Just put that on. I don't do nothing like too crazy. It's like when I know I'm about to shoot, I mean, if I have a jacket or a hoodie, I hang that up and make sure I match or whatever. I mean, pretty simple things, but just look kind of decent, you know, look a little decent. Last but not least, that's coming from me, is number 6. Outline. An outline is basically write down kind of figure out what you want to say. You know, basically make sure I do the intro and the points that you want to hit, the points that you really want to hit hard. I basically write down a lot of stuff. I jotted down in this book. It helped me a lot. And like my titles and whatever, if I won't forget it. And I jotted down and other stuff that I've jotted down in here. So basically, guys, if you're new, please subscribe, hit the link, share my videos, and we will come out with some more videos. And stay consistent. And follow me on all my social medias. It's going to be in the description below. Peace.